Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. Now we discuss about the title Live Video Forensics Identification in Lossy Wireless Networks. Now we discuss the abstract for the process. Nowadays, video source identification is very important in validation video evidence. Tracking down video piracy crimes and regulating the individual video source with the prevalence of wireless communications. In the wireless communications of the videos results shows that the source of identification accuracy of the process and even the large overcompute of the existing methods to the proposed methods. And when the brightness difference between the moving object and the background is small, it cannot detect the difference between the moving object and the background as well as the foregrounds. In order to resolve these problems, some of the algorithms are implemented in these techniques based on the optical flows have been proposed. By using these steps, we have to eliminate the noise and enhance the video from the image. Each and every frames are undergone in this process for the refining the noises and then also to enhance the each and every frame. The main concept is to eliminate the noise and to correct the eliminations in the video. Now we discuss the flow diagram for the process. This is the overall flow for the process. The process is based on this flow only. Now the dataset is the folder which consists of the several videos in that. Now the input video is taken from the datasets and the frame conversion is carried out. The frame conversion is nothing but the converting in video into the number of images. If the video consists of 50 images means the number of frames equal to 50. Then the frame details covers the details of the frames like then height, width and the number of channels in the frame. Now the resize is carried out. In the resize, the image is converted into an respected resolution or the optimum size. If I give the length and width of the image equal to 256 and 256 means the image is automatically resized into an length of 256 and the width of 256. Then the initial filtering is carried out. In the initial filtering, we have using the Gaussian filter method for the initial filtering. The Gaussian filter is used to filter the each and every frames present in the video. After the noise filtering, the noise-free image is carried out from the process. After the noise removal, the background subtraction is carried out. In the background subtraction, the first frame is the static and the remaining frames are the dynamic frames, so that the each and every frames present in the video is subtracted and the background eliminated frames are gathered from the background subtraction. After the background subtraction, the tracking is carried out. In the tracking, the bounding box is used to track the moving object and the noise removal is carried out for the each and every frame in the tracked video. The particular tracking region only undergone for the noise removal process. Then the estimations are carried using the PSNR and the MSE estimations. Now we discuss the initial running procedure for the process. At first open the MATLAB 2013. You can see the mainfile.m in the current folder. Right click in that file mainfile.m and you can see the third option run. Click in that option. Now the datasets folder was opened. In that you can see the several number of videos in that one. Select any one video from the dataset folder and click the button open. Now the selected input video is play as an original video in the figure 1 with the title original video. Now the frame conversion is carried out. In the frame conversion, the video is converted into an n number of frames. Now the resize is carried out for the each and every frame. Then the corresponding frame also shown as an numerical format. Now enter the filter type. I have an filter type of the Gaussian filter. Now I choose the one and give the enter. Then select the filter range as an 3 and click OK. Now the filtered frames are shown in the figure 4 with the title filtered frames. Now the filter frames are also shown in the figure 5. Now the background subtraction images frames are shown in the figure 6. Now the static first frames are shown in the as an right side and the dynamic frames are moving in the left sides. Now the tracking video is shown in the figure 7 with the title tracking video. Now the moving object only is tracked in this video. Now the person is moving in the frames. Now the person only is tracked using the bounding box method. After the tracking, the tracked region is extracted from the video and the backgrounds are eliminated as an zeros and the only foreground remains the original pixel. After the tracking, the region of the moving particle only is enhanced using the gamma correction method. Now the other background will be an similar and the region of interest will be an enhanced form. Now the PSNR and MSE estimations and the also correlations are plotted as a graph format. Now the each and every values obtained for the each and every frames are shown in the figure 102 and the figure 103.